So why are Android photos blurry? Let's talk about it. And if you're new on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So more reasons could be causing the issue. First of all, literally take a look at your cameras, the lenses, make sure it's not dirty, that nothing is, of course, covering the camera. Make sure, you give it a little cleanup to ensure the best quality, right, from the camera lenses. However, you might also be exploring some different issues. So make sure that the photo settings are properly calibrated. So inside of your camera, whenever you are capturing a photo, make sure you select the subject to focus on it, which, shifts the focus and make sure that that part is actually sharp and then not the other part. So, the background will probably be blurry, right? So that's another thing to pay attention to. If you are really into this, you can also go to the more modes of the camera, and you can go to the professional one where you have the manual focus, right? So if the issue is that the photo is not properly focused, you can adjust it like that and see in real time what exactly is being focused, indicated by the green light. So it's very useful to know what exactly you're focusing at, and that's one of the great features about the camera, right? So that's using the built-in camera. Outside of that, you can get a third-party camera app from the Play Store, something like Filmic Pro or different professional cameras, which can also enhance your experience and photo quality. So that's one thing. And also, you should pay attention to the social media settings if you're trying to publish these photos. For example, in one of my videos before, I mentioned that you can go to your Facebook app like that and go to your settings within your profile, and then there is the media section. And you might have some options selected like optimized or a data saver, which will lower down the quality of your photos uploaded to the platform. And you likely don't want to do that, as it can make the photos blurry or look a bit worse. So let me know if we managed to fix that issue for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later.